Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel for the latest EV stock pre-market report. Let's dive straight into the action from yesterday and see what the surge signals are indicating for today's trading session. Starting with Tesla, they saw a positive movement of 1.76% yesterday. For today, keep an eye on the upward surge signal at 204.4 and the downward at 195.67. Moving on to NIO, they experienced a drop of 2.93%. The upward surge signal is set at 7.41, and the downward is at 7.19. Lucid had a decent day with a gain of 1.23%. The numbers to watch are 4.19 for an upward surge and 4.05 for a downward. Rivian impressed with a 3.18% increase. The surge signals are 16.62 on the upside and 15.64 on the downside. Mullen Automotive surged by a notable 5.2%. Look out for 0.32 on the upward and 0.24 on the downward. Nikola is up by 3.85%. The surge signals stand at 1.11 for upward movement and 1.03 for downward. Li Auto faced a decline of 3.73%. The numbers to note are 34.39 for an upward surge and 33.33 for a downward. XPeng was down by 2.88%. The surge signals are 14.76 on the upside and 14.21 on the downside. ChargePoint had a good day with a 3.25% increase. Watch out for 2.6 on the upward and 2.45 on the downward. Canoo surged by 4.54%. The numbers to watch are 0.28 for an upward surge and 0.26 for a downward. Polestar Automotive had a slight increase of 0.5%. The surge signals are 2.07 on the upside and 1.98 on the downside. Microvision remains steady with no change. Look out for 1.94 on the upward and 1.85 on the downward. Palantir saw a minor gain of 0.75%. The numbers to note are 15.02 for an upward surge and 14.56 for a downward. Fisker is up by 2.97%. The surge signals stand at 4.63 for upward movement and 4.28 for downward. Stellantis had a strong day with a 3.78% increase. Watch out for 18.86 on the upward and 18.4 on the downward. Blink Charging surged by 4.39%. The numbers to watch are 2.45 for an upward surge and 2.29 for a downward. EVgo was down by 1.2%. The surge signals are 2.15 on the upside and 1.94 on the downside. Fuel Cell Energy is up by 3.81%. Look out for 1.12 on the upward and 1.05 on the downward. Lastly, Workhorse Group saw a slight decline of 0.69%. The numbers to note are 0.43 for an upward surge and 0.41 for a downward. That wraps up our pre-market report for today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps our channel gain more visibility. And if you haven't already, subscribe and drop a comment below saying you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Also, share your thoughts on these stocks in the comments. And for daily updates on over 20 EV-related stocks, make sure to watch our daily EV stocks pre-market report. Stay informed and trade wisely.